Hello, my name is John Elder, and today I'm going to be teaching you the PHP programming language. Before we get started, I want to talk just a minute about PHP. Why PHP? PHP is definitely not the cool new thing that's out there, right? That would be Ruby on Rails or maybe Node.js or something like that. But the fact of the matter is, PHP powers something like 80 to 90% of the internet, and there's a reason why that's true. Actually, there's a couple of reasons. The first reason is that PHP is incredibly easy to use. It's free, it's easy to get started with, it's easy to code. Just setting up a Ruby on Rails app or a Node.js app can be daunting to a lot of people. With PHP, it just works. The other reason is that PHP powers WordPress, and WordPress is the most used content management system out there. So just by the default that PHP is what runs WordPress, what WordPress is built on, that makes PHP sort of the default, almost the de facto web programming language, right? It may not be the most powerful language in the world, but you can get most of what you need done, and you can do it very quickly. So I wrote a book on Ruby on Rails. I use JavaScript a lot, but PHP day in and day out is a tool that is just invaluable. And in this course, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know to program in PHP. So we're going to start out in the next video talking about building a local PHP development environment. And in the video after that, I'm going to talk about creating a cloud development environment, which is probably the course you're going to want to take. And I'll explain why later. And then we're going to start learning PHP right away. And it's going to be quick and easy, and you're going to see just how powerful it is, just how easy it is to use. And after we cover the basics, 5, 10, 15 videos or so, we will start building a web app with PHP, and we'll build something kind of cool. So I'll see you in the next video.